Hello everyone, I'm your Lakshika teacher. How are you children? Ah, I hope you are fine. Okay, now today I'm going to make a fish. Let's make a fish using 5 leaves. Okay, let's make a fish. Here first of all you have to take a 1 leaf and you have to paste it. Let's paste. You have to paste it like this. And another one. Here, can you see it? Next one. Wow, here children, can you see my fish? Wow, very beautiful, no? Oh, where's fish eye? Oh my God. Let's draw. You have to draw small circle and cut it like me. Now let's paste. Here, can you see? Wow. Here, can you see children? This is my fish. Is it good? Is it beautiful? Yes, it's very beautiful. Okay, now let's draw water. Yeah, can you see it? And after we have to draw sea plants. Let's draw sea plants. Here, can you see my sea plants? Yes. And you can color it. After, we have to draw some stones. Let's draw some stones. Stones. Okay, children. Now can you see my fish tank? This is a fish and water, stones, sea plants. This is my fish tank. You can make a fish tank like me. Is it beautiful? Fish. F-I-S-H, fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Water. W-A-T-E-R, water. W-A-T-E-R, water. Fish, water. Fish, water. Fish has fins. No? Fish has fins. Okay. Is it beautiful, children? You can draw this picture and you can make a fish like me. Okay, children, now I'm going. Have a nice day and goodbye.